Hi there, just me checking in with some simple self-care. Today I wanted to talk about self-massage with a bouncy ball. So the bouncy ball is really great to get into some of the smaller muscles of the neck. You want to be careful, of course, it doesn't feel great when it's pulling hair, so making sure your hair is up out of the way. And just start by bringing your bouncy ball into the palm of your hand, and we're going to rub, we call this cross fiber, so back and forth across the neck. And you don't have to push very hard, you can push as much or as little as feels good, working our way from the base of the neck up. Now coming down, we can do little circles as we move in this line down behind the ear and back up again. And we can start to do little circles moving down the length of the neck. You can keep your chin straight, or you can tilt opposite ear to your opposite shoulder to bring a little stretch in. So we roll our bouncy ball, we're just kind of coming up and down, come into the front of the neck. You can see these tendons of mine kind of tight. You want to be very careful as you come in through the front aspect. For this part, I'll take my opposite hand and coming across my chest, collarbones here. I want to stay just above the collarbone, and I'm moving from the center of my body out towards my shoulder. I might support my opposite elbow and just do little circles as I make my way across the tops of my shoulders, across my traps. And again, my head's tilted to the side to add a little stretch, a little tension through the muscle. And I might even start to move right onto the back body a little more. Still keeping with my circles. And then coming into the back of my neck, just sweeping any hair out of the way. Once again, I'm working front to back, right to the spine and over these stabilizers here. Front to back, working right up to the base of the skull. Here you can push the ball in, find a sweet spot. You can play with tucking your chin and lifting your chin as you push the ball right in. Way back to neutral. You can trace along the bottom of the skull. Maybe little up-down figures or small circles. Coming into behind the ear again. And if you feel like your hair is pulling, you can always lay down a hand towel or pull a hoodie up over your head. That helps too. And then repeating those simple movements on the other side, or doing another repetition as needed depending where you're tender. Enjoy!